What's up, YouTube? This is Clyde Livingston here doing another video on the Nighthawk 750. Just gonna do an update what I've done so far. Not too much, but here's what I've done. I took off all the gauges off the front, and now all I'm gonna have is the speedo, the odometer, and originally this casing looked like this, so I took it off and sanded it down and refinished it, repainted it, and now it looks pretty good. Turn it on. I think that looks pretty sweet with just one gauge on there. So now I gotta figure out what I want to do with the ignition, because I had to take the ignition off so I could route the speedometer wire up through the middle, and this is how I fastened the gauge, is to these two holes with a little bushing thing, whatever that's called. So it's really secure. Next, what I've got to do is, I've got this piece of stainless. I'm gonna clean it all up, make it look real nice, and then cut it to size where that line is. And I'm gonna tuck all the wires up in there behind it. I'm gonna put it right there, cut it where that line is, like I said. And then I'm going to, once that's where I want it, got the new headlight in the male, I'm going to position this. I'm thinking about doing it off-centered, like right there, except this will be all the way up. Maybe off-centered or in the middle. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. I don't know, that looks pretty cool too. So, anyways, that's what I've done so far. So, I'll update you as the progress continues. See you later.